how to transfer money from Tangem wallet to your bank account. So to transfer money from your Tangem wallet to a bank account, you'll first need to sell your cryptocurrency within the Tangem app. So here's a step-by-step guide. So first, open the Tangem app and then go log into your account. And then select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. And then tap the sell button. And you will be redirected to a third-party service like MoonPay. So from there, you need to enter your email address and then choose your preferred withdrawal method like your bank transfer or your debit card. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the KYC or Know Your Customer process. Then review the transaction details and then confirm. Enter your one-time password or your two-factor authentication, and then if the account is prompted, confirm the withdrawal. And those are the steps on how you can transfer money from Tangent Wallet to the bank account. And here's another step one. So same thing as this one, you can just go to your Tangent Wallet app and then tap the three dots, go to your wallet, merge your tokens, and simply just transfer it using this process. And that's how you can transfer money from your Tangent Wallet to your bank account.